Hello YouTube, welcome back to In the Kitchen with Dan. Well, it's still a little bit cool outside, and since it's a little bit cool outside and I'm looking for something a little bit spicy today, I'm going to make a soup, a chicken tortilla soup. So it has a little bit of jalapeno in there, so it'll give me a nice little bit of spice. So that's what I'll be making, and we'll be doing that on the stovetop. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to use 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Today I'm going to use 3 chicken breasts because I want chicken in every bite, and I'm going to also boil it and shred it instead of cooking it in a skillet. Half of a small onion diced, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 jalapeno, 1 can of fire roasted diced tomatoes, a can of black beans, 2 limes, half a cup of shredded Monterey cheese, an avocado that's going to be sliced, a quart of low sodium chicken broth, 1/4 of a cup of chopped cilantro leaves, a bag of tri-color tortilla strips. I usually cook my chicken in the pan with some oil, however today I'm going to shred it, so I'm going to cook it on a low simmer. The reason I'm going to do it on a low simmer is because it keeps it nice and juicy. So if it's boiling water, it actually kind of dries it out, makes it leathery. I already got the water up to temperature. I already salted it, so let me get the chicken in. You place the chicken, place it away from you so the water don't splash up and burn you. In this recipe, I usually do 2 chicken breasts. However, this time I'm going to put 3 because I want some chicken in every bite. We'll let the chicken cook, and then once it's done cooking, we'll take it out and we'll shred it. I'm going to start cutting and dicing, but as a quick tip, before you put your cutting board down, if you put a wet rag down, it'll keep it from sliding. Just like this. And we're ready to start cutting. Okay, I got everything chopped and diced up. I checked the chicken. It's been about 10 minutes. I checked the chicken with a thermometer. It's good to go, so I'm going to get that pulled out and start getting that shredded in my little KitchenAid chopper here. If you watched previous videos, I've explained this is probably my most favorite gadget in the kitchen. This little guy's amazing. I use it quite often, several times a week. Get that all set up. I'm going to cut these into little slices so that way it chops a little bit better. You can see it's real juicy and moist, and that was because it was cooked on that low simmer. And these weren't frozen when they went in there, so it only took about, I want to say about 10 minutes. I'm going to check it with the thermometer and cook through. Get these put in. Get that shredded. So this is how I shred my chicken. I'm not going to show the entire shredding of all the chicken. Just giving you an idea of how I shred my chicken. So I'll shred up the rest of the chicken, and then we'll get back to the pot and get the vegetables cooked up. Okay, we got the chicken out. Now we're going to put a tablespoon of oil in the pan. So we've got our onions in the bowl. We've been cooking them about 2 minutes inside of a tablespoon of oil. We're just trying to soften them up. It's been about 2 minutes. Nice and soft. So we're going to add our garlic and our jalapeños. And cook those for about another minute. The jalapenos and the onion and that garlic smells amazing. Love the smell. Alright, so at this point, since I chopped up my chicken already, if you're gonna at this point, what I would do if I didn't chop up my chicken and boil it already, this is where I'd add my chicken. I would take the ingredients out. I take out the onion, the garlic, and the jalapeno out of the bowl. I'd add another tablespoon of oil, and I'd start cooking my chicken if it was raw. Since it's chopped up and already cooked, which I boiled, I'm just going to add it. Start getting those flavors combining. Add a little bit more oil. I don't want it burning. I just want the flavors to start to intermingle and get to know each other in there. The rest of our chicken in there. Okay, now we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. There's tomatoes. These are the fire roasted diced tomatoes. And add our chicken broth, 4 cups. My last carton of chicken broth, so I'll use that. I usually use that better than bouillon, but I'll finish that up. And our black beans. The black beans, I drained them from the can, put them and rinsed them out. Don't put the black beans directly in from the can, make sure you rinse them. Okay, we're going to mix everything together. See how that looks. Look at that color. Alright. Turn that up just a little bit. Okay, what we're going to do now, with everything in the pot, we're going to bring this up to a simmer. Look at those colors. And I said I shredded the chicken, so there was chicken in every bite. Look at that. Nice. It's the way I like it. Since it's chicken tortilla soup, I like there to be chicken in there. Gone to places and you get chicken tortilla soup and you're hunting for the chicken. We'll bring that up so it gets to a simmer. A little bit of salt. And when I cook, everybody knows, I always follow it up with some pepper. Starting to simmer. Let me lower it a little bit. I don't want it boiling. Just want it to simmer. Alright, since it's been simmering for a little bit, now I'm going to add some lime. Another half of the lime. And my cilantro. All mixed up in there. Now it's ready to serve. I'll get that served up in a bowl and let you see how that looks. Well, here's our chicken tortilla soup all put together. Of course, the soup added some tortilla chips, some avocado, and of course some cheese. Let's give it a try. Let's see how it came out. With a little bit of everything, got to get some avocado in there. Wow. That's flavorful and delicious. That's excellent. Perfect. This is what it looks like inside. Oh, that tastes good. Get another bite there. Well, yes. There you go. That's my chicken tortilla soup. As you see, it's very colorful, and besides that, it's very flavorful. You get all those ingredients together. When you bite into it, it's an explosion of flavor. If you have never tried chicken tortilla soup, I highly recommend it. Also, the thing that I did different is I shredded my chicken today. Like I said, I wanted chicken in every bite, so I shredded it. And I did that by boiling the chicken on a low simmer, so that way my chicken didn't get leathery, and that way it's still real juicy. The other way to do it is after you cook the vegetables, take that out of the pan, cut up your raw chicken, place it in the pan, cook it up, and once your chicken's cooked up, put your vegetables back in there, and then the liquids. Let it all incorporate on a simmer, brings it all together, and then you can add your toppings. Again, it's amazing, it's delicious. Give it a try. I'll put all the ingredients in the description of that down below if you're interested in give it a try. And also, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Until next time, adios.